What to do if you are denied a personal loan? You may be able to reapply and qualify after denial, provided you take the right steps first. If you have been denied a personal loan, you might worry that you will not be able to get the funding you need. However, it's possible to reapply for a personal loan even if you have previously been denied. Before you may move forward, however, it's important to understand why your loan application was denied in the first place, so you can take steps to address those issues. Once any loose ends are buttoned up, you shall more likely have your loan application approved the next time around. Possible reason why your loan application was denied. Understanding why your personal loan was denied is the first step toward figuring out what steps you need to take to secure your funding the next time you apply. Every lender is different and each one has its own criteria. The good news is that if you are denied, the lender must provide you with an adverse action notice that explains what information was used to make the decision. Below are some of the common reason why your loan application might be denied. Basic requirement not met. Depending on the lender, there might be specific criteria that you need to meet in order to qualify for a loan. Some common basic requirement to keep in mind often include age. Most lenders require you to be at least 18 years old to qualify for a loan. However, in some states, the criteria might be different and you might need to be 19 or 21. Double check to see what the minimum age is for the lender and the state you live in. Residency, there is a good chance that you need to be a resident of the United States to get a personal loan with a US lender. If you are a US citizen, you likely meet that requirement fairly easily unless you are living abroad and the lender require a US address. However, if you are on a green card or a staying type of visa, then you might need to meet additional requirements. Employment, many lenders want to verify that you receive regular income. This can include a full-time job or the ability to prove self-employment. Some lenders accept part-time jobs as employment as well. Checking account, in many cases, lender will ask for your checking account information to deposit your funds, but a checking account is also preferred by lenders because they can auto deduct your payment from the account. If you don't have a checking account, you might be denied even if you seem like a good prospect on paper. Some lenders might also require that you have no recent bankruptcies in order to meet basic requirement for borrowing.